Chapter 1. Introduction. What is blockchain and cryptocurrency? Blockchain is a digital data that is forgery prevented, also known as innovative future security technology. Cryptocurrency is an advanced currency decentralized by blockchain technology, which requires an expansion of participation with economic compensation. 8 Gold provides asset management service that ensures safety and convenience of global property investment on the blockchain platform. 8 Gold service can effectively solve difficulties in global property investment caused by complicated policies and regulations by countries. Moreover, our cryptocurrency EGB coin is an optimized management tool that enables brand new global asset management inverted from the current financial transaction. Well then, who is the first target of 8 Gold service? We are targeting our first customer as VIPs in the Middle East. In this monarchist region, most of the property is owned by very few VIPs. Generally, they own more than hundreds to thousands of properties, and they are now facing numerous problems and inefficiency in managing properties. Therefore, Middle Eastern VIPs have been seeking for an effective system in terms of property investment and management. Mr. Al-Tayeb in Dubai has operated various consortium and projects focusing on VIPs in the Middle East with Matthew, who has accumulated professional experiences in global oil companies for 7 years. The VIPs requested Al-Tayeb and Matthew to develop an effective real estate management solution which can address their concerns. Thereby, Al-Tayeb and Matthew established asset management company in Dubai and initiated to develop 8 Gold asset services applying cutting-edge blockchain technology with highly capable professionals. As of now, 8 Gold is a pioneer based on a strong local network that entered the blockchain industry in the Middle East, where enormous real estate market expands.